Every agency reaches this point. Too many projects, too many files, and clients asking for updates every hour. You're stuck between chat apps, email threads, and spreadsheets, just trying to keep up with client updates. That's when you realize you need a project management client portal. In this video, we'll look at 9 of the best project management tools with client portals, what they do well, and who they're for. Number 1. Agency Handy. Agency Handy started as a client portal, then became a full-fledged client portal with a project management system for agencies. For starters, once you have orders, your projects are organized in a list view with ongoing, pending, etc. And for tasks, you'll get a bird's eye view of the progress in a Kanban board with clear stages, including pending, in progress, review, and complete. Clients see updates live, share feedback, and can approve tasks without sending emails. Also, they can comment directly on files, highlight what they want changed, and even upload assets themselves. Everything, from messages and files to invoices and payments, stays in one place. It's also fully white labeled, meaning your clients see your logo, your colors, and your domain. Agency Handy includes CRM, task management, billing, ticketing, and time tracking, all for as low as $19 per month. So it's affordable too. Number 2. Bonsai. Bonsai connects light project management with a clean client portal. It's perfect for freelancers or small agencies that want everything in one simple view. Projects, clients, and payments. Clients can log in, check project progress, approve work, and even leave comments. It's easy to set up, fast to use, and keeps your workflow simple. Number 3. Productive.io. Productive is for agencies that care about time, cost, and profits. It includes a white label client portal that shows clients leave project budgets and progress, all synced with your internal data. It's more advanced than simple task tools and works well for teams handling multiple clients at once. Number 4. ManyRequests. Now, if your agency runs a monthly subscriptions or unlimited services, ManyRequests can be a good choice. ManyRequests is built for productized service agencies and like design or content subscription businesses. It gives clients a branded white label portal where they can submit requests, upload files, and track progress in a queue. It's perfect if you need structure and speed to handle recurring client work. Number 5. SuiteDash. SuiteDash is a full business management platform with strong branding control. You can customize everything, your domain, colors, even create a mobile app under your name. It includes project management, client chat, and forms, all wrapped in a secure, branded client area. And if you ever need help, SuiteDash support is known to be one of the most responsive out there. Number 6. HoneyBook. HoneyBook is a beautiful, all-in-one client service management software for creatives. If you're a solo creative or freelancer and design matters to you, you'll love HoneyBook. It automates proposals, contracts, and payments, and gives each client a professional-looking portal. It's easy to use, makes your client experience shine, and saves you hours of admin work. Number 7. Dubsado. Dubsado is all about automation. You can build complete workflows that send emails, contracts, and invoices automatically. Clients get a clean, password-protected portal for everything related to their project. It takes time to set up, but once it's running, it handles your entire client process on its own. Number 8. Kitchen.co. Kitchen.co keeps things simple. If you like simple layouts and visual organization, you'll want to see Kitchen.co. It organizes projects like folders on your computer. Each folder holds conversations, tasks, and files. Everything in one easy view. It's one of the best tools for task management for freelancers who want order without complexity. Number 9. 17 Hats. 17 Hats is made for one-person businesses. It organizes your projects, invoices, and tasks, and gives clients a simple portal to see files and updates. It's easy to use, fully branded, and helps freelancers stay on top of every client. Most tools handle one part of your business. Agency Handy handles them all. You can capture leads, create projects, manage tasks, send invoices, and collect feedback, all in one place. Clients get a branded portal with your logo and domain. You get time tracking, team collaboration, and even ticketing for support requests. And finally, it's simple to set up, built for agencies, and priced fairly, starting at just $19 per month. If you're tired of scattered tools and slow communication, it's time to upgrade. So, choose a project management client portal from the above list that gives your clients clarity and saves you hours every week.